In this video, I'm going to show you where you may find free photos that we can use in Facebook or any websites and blogs. Making use of free photos saves us money to get great quality photos that we need to use in our posts and marketing campaigns. Thanks to these websites who offer free stock images that anyone can use for free. The first website that I'll show you is called Stocksnap. With Stocksnap, there are hundreds of high-resolution images that are added weekly, which is also free from copyright restrictions. So you can copy or modify these images without asking permission from its rightful owners. You may scroll down to check the images, or you may browse per category. You can look for photos you may use without watermarks. You may also register to have an account in Stocksnap, but you may also download free images without having an account. If you check their terms, all photos in this website are released under the Creative Commons CC0, meaning these are all free. Creative Commons CC0 license means that you can copy or modify the creative contents without asking permission from the authors, which is all for free. No copyright restrictions for these photos, so you may use them in your posts, blogs, marketing campaigns for free. Our next site is Freepik. What makes Freepik stand out from the other free stock images sites is that they do have available vector image files. Just choose any vector images you need or prefer, download it, so you may edit these vector files using a software such as an Adobe Illustrator. Our third free stock photo site is called Pixabay. In Pixabay, you may also sign up to have an account here, but you may still download free photos even if you don't have an account. Let's try to find a photo to download. Every photo gives you the option to download different dimensions. If you're not registered or logged into your account, you may see a pop-up to check for CAPTCHAs before you download a photo. You may see on the right side of the page, the Pixabay license is free for commercial use. They also have a Facebook account if you want to follow them and get updates. Going back to their homepage, you may click these links under the search engine bar, as these are some popular categories you might use. They also have vector graphics to choose from. Our fourth site is called Life of Pix. This site also has free photos you can use, and the good thing here is they are high-resolution photos. They do have featured photos to choose from. As you click one of these photos, you may see that it displays a color palette that is mostly used in the picture. You might find these useful as a designer, making use of palettes and matching colors. You can also sign up to their site, but you may download a photo even if you don't have an account. Going back to their homepage, as we click Gallery, you may browse the pictures per category. Last but not the least is the site called Pexels. This site also offers free photos that we can download. As we click Explore, it has a unique way of grouping pictures together. Let's choose this category and select a photo. When we click Info, it displays who the photographer is, some photo information including the camera used, and the color palette. Just like in the Life of Pix displays the color palette used in a photo. It also indicates that the license is free to use. I hope you enjoy exploring some of these sites for free photos you may use in your posts. Thank you for watching!